In this video, I am going to show you how you can get access to ChatGPT o1 for free. So stay until the end of the video in order to get another AI that will be better than ChatGPT. So before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to join the newsletter. The link is in the description. Instead of using ChatGPT, you can use DeepSeek. It's an open source model that is totally free and is even better than ChatGPT. Recently, DeepSeek has released his new AI model that is DeepSeek V3, and his capabilities are simply amazing. Here we have some benchmark that compares DeepSeek V3 and many other models such as the V2.5, Qwen 2.5, Llama 3.1, Claude 3.5 and ChatGPT-O. So we can see in terms of mathematics right here that DeepSeek V3 is at 90.2, and for example Claude 3.5 is only at 78.3. Is the exact same thing for Codeforce right here, that DeepSeek V3 has 51.6 and Claude 3.5 has 20.3. In order to get access to DeepSeek, you only have to click here on Start Now and give your email and create an account with a password, and then you will get access to DeepSeek. So first of all, we're going to compare DeepSeek and ChatGPT about coding. We are going to put the prompt code the snake game and click on the DeepThink button. I put enter and we will see the result in a few seconds. So here we are going to copy the code and put it in this website. So here we can see that the code worked and the game is working. When I touch the wall, I lose the game. And now we are going to compare to ChatGPT o1. I basically ask the same prompt, code the snake game, and we're going to copy the result. And now we're going to press run. So here we can see that the code worked as well. And so what is really interesting is that we get the same result from the code of DeepSeek and ChatGPT's code. But the big difference is that DeepSeek is open source and totally free, and ChatGPT is not. So now we're going to compare and see the difference between DeepSeek and ChatGPT o1 in terms of mathematics. So we have a prompt which is you have 3 doors in front of you, only one hides a treasure. After choosing a door, the host shows you another empty door and asks if you want to switch, what do you do and why. So I pressed the DeepThink button and we're going to see the result. So here DeepSeek is telling us that the optimal strategy is to switch doors, as it increases your probability of winning the treasure from 1/3 to 2/3, and then he explains why. And so I know the result and this is a good answer, and now we're going to compare it to ChatGPT o1 in order to see if it gets the same result. So here I am putting the same prompt that in DeepSeek v3 and we're going to see the result with ChatGPT o1. He's telling us that this is a classic Monty Hall problem. The short answer is you should switch because doing so doubles your probability of finding the treasure. And so here it explains why, all the mathematics behind it, but the result is the same. Once again, we can see that DeepSeek and ChatGPT o1 got the same result on the same prompt. So here it shows that DeepSeek is as good as ChatGPT o1 in terms of reasoning and mathematics. Before, it was really interesting to have ChatGPT because the results were superior to the other AI. However, now with DeepSeek and all of the open source model, it's not necessarily the best choice. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to join the newsletter. The link is in the description, and see you in the next video.